from the Turkish entertainment world. Welcome back to our channel, your only address for all the heartwarming and trending news. Today we present you an absolutely cute and romantic story about Barış Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel, one of your favorite couples. After their emotional dinner speech recently, fans wondered what the next episode of their relationship would look like. Peace did not disappoint. With a really dreamy gesture, he planned something very special for the rain. To decorate a special room filled with love, warmth, and deep feelings. Bride? A few days after the serious dinner meeting that worried and hoped for the Vasanans and the fans of Yağmur that night, Barış Baktaş, his feelings for Yağmur, decided to express it in the most poignant way. She arranged a beautiful, romantic evening in a luxurious hotel room. And every detail was filled with meaning. The room, with soft fairy lights, rose petals on the bed, with a series of candles extending from the entrance to the balcony end. From red carpet moments to silly behind-the-scenes footage, he was decorated with framed photos of his memories together. A source said, "Peace, reign, no matter how difficult things are, your hearts." He wanted to show that he still threw it for him. The most touching part: handwritten letter on Rain's pillow. Inside, "You are my peace in chaos. You are my home in this fast-moving world." When the rain entered the room, he was moved. It was learned that he hugged Barış tightly and could not hold back his tears. Later that night, Rain captured a soft, blurry photo of a candlelit dining table, published with the title "Gratitude, Always." Fans immediately understood what that meant. Their favorite couple was stronger than ever. The post got thousands of likes in minutes and fans' comments. One fan wrote, "This is the kind of love we all dream of. It's not perfect, but it's full of real effort. Sets new standards for how men should express their feelings." Barış has not yet shared about the night, perhaps preferring to keep that moment special. But what they did made more noise than words. This romantic gesture not only strengthened the bond between them, but also strengthened their fan base. Yağmur's fans now share the hashtag #BarışYağmur on social media, celebrating the couple's maturity, growth, and love. In the fast-paced world of celebrity relationships, where misunderstandings can easily turn into public drama, Barış Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel show everyone that true love is listening, expressing, and revealing, especially at the most important moment. So what do you think about Barış Baktaş's romantic surprise for Yağmur Yüksel? Would you want your partner to do that for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon in order not to miss a moment from the lives of your favorite stars.